Craving something chocolatey but don't want to bake a whole cake? Let's make this rich, soft chocolate mug cake in just 1 minute. All you need is 1 mug, a few simple ingredients, and a microwave. Let's get started. First, in a microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2½ tablespoons cocoa powder, 2½ tablespoons sugar, 1¼ teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir the flour, sugar, cocoa, baking powder, and salt until there are no clumps and the mixture is smooth. Now add 4 tablespoons milk. Any kind of milk works here. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or melted butter, and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Give everything a good stir until all the ingredients are fully combined and the batter is smooth with no lumps. Microwave for about 60 to 80 seconds until the cake is set but still soft. Let's prepare chocolate ganache. Take a small microwave-safe bowl and add 2 tablespoons of milk. Microwave the milk for about 15 seconds. Now add 1½ tablespoons of chocolate chips into the warm milk. Then gently stir the mixture with a spoon until the chocolate completely melts and turns into a smooth, creamy ganache. Once your mug cake has cooled slightly, pour the warm chocolate ganache over the top. Finally, sprinkle some chocolate shavings on top for extra flavor and a bakery-style finish. And that's it. A rich, soft chocolate mug cake with silky chocolate ganache, ready in just minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, save, and share this video with someone who loves chocolate. Do you like your mug cake plain or with extra chocolate on top? For the full printable recipe and my favorite baking tools, check the links in my bio.